go again.
Hello. I'm Kelly.
Okay, well, I'm hot. Now you know me.
I don't think we officially started today. Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody? We are moving from the Long Beach Courtyard Marriott.
How's your mom and them?
I do have a bob. And we are just waiting on our Lyft to get here.
I'm here.
So we can go to the Disneyland Hotel.
Extra primo good.
Yeah, I'm super excited. We don't have a big plan for today. We have a park reservation for California Adventure. So we're gonna go to the Disneyland Hotel. It usually takes about, what, 20, 30, 45?
About 40 minutes to get there.
You know, just depending on how traffic, I don't know what traffic's like right now.
Probably bad.
It is a Monday, so it's probably bad.
In the morning.
And it's California.
Yeah, we'll get there around 11:15,
yeah.
11:30.
So the hotel's not expecting us till 11 anyway, so. We're gonna check in there. Our room probably won't be ready, but if it is, that'll be awesome.
It's a bonus.
If not, we'll drop our luggage and go.
Yep.
So, like I said, we don't really have a plan today. We're just gonna go with the flow and see what happens. We have no reservations for dining.
There usually isn't any reservations in the Disneyland.
Disneyland's a little hard, but that's okay. You know, we're just gonna chill and see what we see. Entrance right here. Drop off.
No.
Okay. I love the lobby here. It's got just cute little teacup seats and stuff. So this is the lobby. Disneyland Hotel. Big check-in area. There's a cute little kid seating area. These fancy chairs. I want a fancy chair like that. Okay, so Bell Services is outside the main building. This is the Fantasy Tower. That's the Bell Services. So if your room is not ready, you drop it off outside. Go through your bag, so just be prepared for that.
do it pretty thorough.
They do a very thorough job. Lines can get pretty long in the morning. It is 11:10 right now, so we got through pretty fast. But they do search pretty good. So we just walked from right over there, and we're going this way. She called me princess.
Smart lady.
She's a smart lady. So Disneyland now is all like mobile ticket. You don't get an actual, we have annual passes. You don't get an actual ticket. So it's all on your phone.
I guess if you were like just getting a 1 day or 2 day ticket, they'd probably
give you like a card, yeah. But our annual passes are on our phones only. Where do we want to go, kids?
Well, I'm okay with standing in a ride line.
Okay.
Or Kaya's feet start hurting.
Is it too late for that?
What?
Is it too late for that?
Toy Story Main is only 45 minutes.
Okay. Nothing really. You want to go back? Let's go back to Pixar Pier then.
What?
To Pixar Pier, where that is. There's the Starbucks.
We can get to Pixar Pier that way too.
We could. Right now they're doing like food and wine at California Adventure. Snickers, caramel, peanut, milk chocolate, Mickey macaroon. Holy crap. Whoa, that sounded good. They had a Mickey Snickers macaroon.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, a lot of these snacks sound really good. Bless you. It's like a party up in here. People are having snacks. It's probably why it's so busy. Oh, cool. We got a little Magic Key Lounge. So like pass holders, they got a little pass holder lounge over there. That's cool.
There you go. IPA sausage dog.
IPA sausage dog.
I knew we would want that.
Okay, a lot of this food looks really good, you guys.
What?
A lot of this food looks really good.
Yeah,
Little food and wine ears. Their spirit jersey said life is great. It's everything artichokes. Oh my gosh.
There you go, Cal.
That's my booth. Artichoke toast with olive tapenade. Oh my gosh. Chicharron crusted fried artichoke dip. What? Dang.
It's got chicharrones on it though. I thought you would be like, look.
Well, no, I would, because it's got artichokes. Artichokes like cancel out the chicharron.
Chicharrones are good.
And avocados. Holy cow. Avocado Impossible Burger, guacamole avocado frozen, ruby grapefruit sparkling beverage. Wow. Man, their food looks good, man. There's Little Mermaid right there. So we're in line for the Incredicoaster and Bob has a new toy. Show him. It's so tiny! So we're gonna try filming all the rides with the Osmo Pocket too. See how they do. It's so teeny tiny. Look, it's so small.
Sammy? Whoa!
What, 20 minutes?
Yeah, something like that.
We rode Ariel while we were waiting. So you can join the walk-up wait list on the app.
The Disneyland app.
On the Disneyland app. And we just got our text that our table's ready. So you have to arrive within 10 minutes of getting your text. So we're gonna head that way now, because Kaya needs food. So we're at the Lamplight Lounge. We're at the Boardwalk Dining. So they have inside and they have outside. Just so you know, there's different menus for inside and outside. So this one is a little bit more abbreviated menu.
It's like a lounge.
It's like a lounge. But we have a super cool view of the Incredicoaster.
It's very nice
and
out.
it's really, really nice outside. So we ordered some drinks and some food. Look, and we got cool. Are they different?
Yeah.
So our coasters are different too.
Well, yours is the same as hers.
Okay. Those are cool. I like it.
Yeah, these are going in my collection of coasters.
See, this is our view from our table. This is really cool.
Hold on! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The sequel? The sequel. Does smoke go up your nose?
It's quite tart.
Is it? How was that again?
It's quite tart.
Do it again. Drink.
That was real too.
That's priceless. Okay, Kelly. This stuff, look at this. What is this called?
It's a Snickers Mickey macaroon cookie. And I'm super excited about it.
Snickers Mickey Macaroon Cookie.
Yes.
California Food and Wine Festival.
I'm gonna take a picture of it before I eat it.
Yes, and then it was at the Nuts and Cheese. Nuts about cheese. I gotta quit going so fast. Don't move fast.
She took the fork that I gave her away.
No. Well,
Are you salty about the fork?
Yeah, because she took it. I gave it to her with love
thank you. I just didn't want it in my picture.
and adoration, and she took it.
Oh, now it's on the floor.
Oh my god.
Oh man, we gotta get reforked.
And it balls.
Thank you.
Reforked. She's been reforked.
It's gonna be fun.
Oh, just take a big old bite. Here we go. Exciting moments. Oh, yeah. This is a slow-mo moment right here. Boom, 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 boom,
That's
boom.
really good. Like, okay, I won't get it.
You have stuff. There you go.
Yummy.
Okay, cool. What does it taste like?
Tastes just like a Snickers macaroon.
Does it really?
Yep.
Like peanuts and everything?
Yep.
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 Cool. That's that's like the biggest macaron I've ever seen in my life. No, I saw those in London. They were pretty big too. Yeah.
It's very sweet.
Okay, so you need like a nice wine,
Tea or something.
a nice wine to cut through it.
Yeah.
Sounds like a plan. Now here goes Kaya. Cool. So, thumbs up for the Mickey macaron, the Snickers Mickey macaron. Cool. Thumbs up for the Snickies macaron.
Snickies?
Yeah. Did you want one of your own, dear?
Oh no. That was good, but definitely for 2 people or more. Because there's no way on earth I could have done that by myself. It was very sweet, but delicious. So what are we gonna do?
Go to the room.
We're gonna go to the room.
We're gonna go get our stuff settled, and then we'll come back
And then
later.
we'll come back in a little bit.
So we're about to end part 1.
Part 1. So, if you have not done so already, please hit the subscribe button. Ding the notification bell so that you know when we post. And if you would do us a huge favor, give us a thumbs up
And a share.
so that you know when we post. And we will see you next time.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Hi, Pluto. Hi, Daisy. Hi. My book is Jack.